Hi, and welcome to Robot BC, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest in technology. And in this video, we're going to take a look at best Christmas gifts for teenage girls that they'll actually want to receive. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gadget lover, or a curious learner, this channel is for you. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Now, let's get started. Alright, you don't actually require motivation to purchase the teen young lady in your family a present. What's more, truth be told, this present time's as great an opportunity as any. Yet, in the event that you've at any point purchased presents for teen young ladies, you realize that the errand is, all things considered, a test. Be that as it may, assuming you're prepared for the endeavor, which, obviously, you are, bless your lucky stars, we've arranged the absolute best gift thoughts for adolescent young ladies you can envision, for each spending plan. Maybe you've previously seen, however young ladies apparently understand what's going on with everything before it even turns into a thing. Some might say they're the ones who start the patterns. Those viral TikTok difficulties and moves? No need to relive that. The most recent excellence items? As of now, on to the following. Also, it's precisely this reason that makes finding the ideal gift for them so hard and fun. Yet, in the event you don't as of now have a finger on the beat of the furthest down the line things to surface, we track down the coolest exceptional gift thoughts to give the high schooler lady, as in, the benevolent that will hold you back from considering what teen young ladies like for gifts. From perky style and excellence picks, like exemplary Nike Flying Core ones and skincare absolute necessities, to tech embellishments and smaller presents for that special reward, doubtlessly that these will make them win the gift-giving season. Furthermore, assuming you're fortunate, she could try and impart her gift to every one of her companions on her virtual entertainment. So feel free to look down to track down the ideal gift to give the fortunate lady this year. Blisslight Skylight Drove Laser Star Projector. With regards to looking for high school young ladies, there's one method for remaining in the loop: TikTok. Gen Z young ladies can't quit discussing this laser star projector, which will transform any room into an individual system. No big surprise it's been getting out and about on TikTok lists of things to get. JBL Clasp 4. There's an explanation. We love this JBL Bluetooth speaker so much. It's versatile, waterproof, and puts out some great sound. Whether she cuts this onto her knapsack for end of the week hangs with her companions or on her bicycle while she's partaking in the outside, she'll adore paying attention to her number one craftsman, Billie Eilish and Olivia Rodrigo, anybody, with this. Apple AirPods Expert, Second Era. Assuming you will give somebody a gift that they plan to get themselves yet never found time to really buy, they're certain to see the value in the motion, regardless of how old she is. In addition, the adolescent young lady in your life will simply have one more motivation to communicate her style: hi, AirPod cases. Kodak FunSaver one-time use film camera, 2-pack. Isn't ironically teenagers nowadays feel cool and educated with film when they have every one of the elements of a computerized camera on their iPhone readily available? This rare film camera is on each adolescent's list of things to get. Kodak Luma 75 Pocket Projector. Searching for a startling gift that everybody in the room will need? Look no further, in light of the fact that this pocket projector will without a doubt be the discussion of the opening up meeting. Elego Charging Center. For the youngster who in every case needs to have her gadgets available, she'll cherish utilizing this charging center. Intended to flawlessly charge her iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch, this will be perhaps of the most valuable gift you could give her. Koleoli UO Elite Smaller Than Expected Printed Magnificence Refrigerator. Perhaps she's now developed the skincare system of her fantasies. Yet, what might make it surprisingly better? A scaled-down refrigerator committed to keeping her items new and cool. You can't disregard the charming checkerboard print of this one, by the same token. Polaroid Go Moment Smaller Than Expected Camera. In reality as we know it, where you can have in a real sense large number of photographs on your camera roll, the choice to snap a picture that feels more limited is a welcome one. This under $100 scaled down Polaroid camera has all that you love about the famous brand, just more modest. Really adorable, huh? Kylie Beauty Care Products Kendall Squeezed Powder Eyeshadow. Gift her anything from Kylie Beauty Care Products and you'll make certain to prevail upon her. This eyeshadow range has her regular tone alongside unique event conceals, transforming excellence tests into her new most loved leisure activity. Patchology Served Chilled 6-Pack Eye Gel Skincare for teenagers is somewhat about the advantages and somewhat about the substance to accompany it. These tomfoolery gel eye patches are beautiful and shimmering for all her future TikToks and B-reels. Additionally, they feel frigid cool on the face. Tan Ming Shacket. It's anything but a sweater and it's anything but a coat. Enter the shacket. This full piece of outerwear is ideal for all the pumpkin patches, apple pickings, and juice tasting she'll enjoying this season. Also, it's perfect for secondary school sporting events when the temps drop. FP Development Pippa Packable Puffer Coat. It's puffer season, you all. Go for the most sweltering shade of the time, particularly for teenagers, with this bubblegum pink coat from FP Development. The best part is that it packs down to a pad, making it a productive multi-reason gift. Tommy Pants Denim Container Cap. Once in a while, the ideal gift for a high school young lady is essentially as basic as a cool can cap. Also, we love the 90s flows this one needs to it. Banter Hurl Taylor All-Star Run Star Climb High Top. Certainly, you could likewise go with an exemplary sets of tosses. However, assuming that you're searching for a couple that will take her breath away, we propose this Stage Explorer High Top, which will undoubtedly knock some people's socks off. Genuine Bloom Tar Customized Keychain. Whether she has a bunch of keys for her vehicle or a zipper deserving of some additional energy, she'll cherish the increase in variety this gum keychain will give her regular fundamentals. This one will undoubtedly offer her heaps of praises. Nike Aviation-based Armed Forces 107. Might there be much else notorious than a smooth sets of white Nike Flying Core 1 shoes? The response is most likely no, and assuming that TikTok is any sign, adolescent young ladies love wearing these within a real sense anything they have in their storerooms. Mia the Child Unicorn Squishmallow. There presumably is nothing available that is cuter than a Squishmallow. What's more, coming from somebody who's embraced a couple of herself, these are so soft. She'll cherish cuddling up to this on her bed. Chill House Chill Tips Press-On Nail Treatment Pack. Another simple and reasonable gift to give the young lady on your shopping list is a charming press-on nail trim unit. Nobody will accept she faked her nail workmanship. Philips Tone Bluetooth Savvy Light Strip in addition to 2M/6 feet base pack. Truly, what youngster couldn't need these Bluetooth light strips? Another famous piece that has gotten out and about on TikTok, these lights will add a cool and unforeseen feel to any piece of her room. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Cream. Smooth like margarine and ultra hydrating, Sol de Janeiro's Brazilian Bum Cream is the rich body salve she'll utilize the entire season. Obviously, it doesn't hurt that it smells astonishing, as well. Victrola 3-speed Bluetooth bag stereo with worked-in speakers. What feels cooler than paying attention to the most recent music? A retro enlivened record spinner, that is what. What's more, she'll adore taking advantage of that simple life this season. Impala Roller Skates X Cynthia Raleigh Botanical Quad Skates. Maybe she, as so many others, assumed the undertaking of figuring out how to roller skate this year. In which case, this is the ideal opportunity to give her a couple of stellar wheels she won't ever need to take off. Hydro Cup 32-ounce wide mouth cap jug. One can never have too many water bottles, isn't that so? This heavy choice from Hydro Cup makes certain to be a safeguard win, particularly when she needs to change around her tones. Priston S3-in-1 level iron intensity styling device. With regards to hairstyling instruments, you can't turn out badly with a straightener. Fix, twist, wave, the choices are essentially unending, and that implies she. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.